The Undergraduate Research Fair has been running this is its 7th year now, and it's really an opportunity to showcase research being done by undergraduates. It's based on coursework that has been completed in the previous calendar year, where students take the work they've done and put together a poster presentation to sort of take the work that they've completed for a course to the next level, and really an opportunity for them to explore their work in more depth and to communicate that work, to communicate the things that they've learned to a wider audience from across campus.
So my research explores the inequity of safe drinking water within Indigenous communities and the health effects that this has on this minority group by analyzing the complex historical, cultural, and financial factors that have led to this inequality. My research goes on to suggest collaborative and multifaceted policy approaches to improve this appalling injustice.
I think one of the interesting things about the Undergraduate Research Fair being an interdisciplinary event or multidisciplinary, I guess is probably a more appropriate word, is that it makes it very unique. Faculties, individual faculties, in many cases hold their own research celebrations or research fairs, but what we're trying to do with the Undergraduate Research Fair that's hosted by the libraries and the Vice President of Research and Innovation is to really draw students out to present their work to an educated lay audience, not necessarily people in their own field, but to be able to talk about that work in a way that another student, another faculty member, a librarian from outside their specific field can really understand what it is that their research attempts to accomplish, and to communicate that in a way that's quite effective.
My project was for a third-year urban ecology course in the Faculty of Environmental Studies, and it investigated how the application of green roofs at a citywide scale could improve urban sustainability, and how this is, in Toronto's case, a function of municipal policy creation and bylaw creation. I basically used Toronto as a case study to outline how green roofs help with urban sustainability, and I created a policy timeline to illustrate this, and then I got into how green roofs actually are beneficial.
York is committed to the continuing development of research and scholarship across the university and to continuing to celebrate the success of all of our student researchers. Indeed, in the current plan for intensification and enhancement of research, undergraduate research and researchers figure prominently.
It was wonderful to hear my name called for the top prize. I wasn't expecting it. I was very happy with my research and my presentation, but to have that reaffirmed by the committee and the judges was a wonderful feeling.
Really exciting. I was actually quite shocked to hear my name called. It was a great moment for today. I definitely would encourage other people to enter if they have a project that they like.
If you're a student doing undergraduate coursework here at York, really do consider putting in an application for the fair. I know students who've gone through the process find it to be a great one. It's incredibly enriching in many ways. It's new for a lot of people. And if you're thinking of graduate school, it certainly is a good line on your CV for when you're applying.